Yo, what's up, Dai?
What's up, B?
What are we talking about today?
So today we're gonna talk about my new project car. So we're gonna build this 1985 Mercedes 190E.
Okay, Mercedes.
Mercedes.
Wow.
Not a Japanese car.
Yeah, I kind of took you as like a Japanese car kind of guy. Like, what made you want to switch up to European?
Well, everybody likes European cars too, right? And Mercedes is like one of the, nice manufacturer. But anyways, get this. I'm gonna put the Honda motor into 190E.
Wow. Okay, you're kind of known for this crazy motor swaps or different motor swaps from different types of cars, right?
Yeah, not disrespect, but the motor can be anything. If it's like fits well.
Totally.
It'd be kind of interesting, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna put the S2000 F20 engine into 190.
So last project car you built for last year's SEMA was the AE86R,
Yeah.
which came out amazing.
Thank you.
It seemed like a lot of people kind of dug it, right? That kind of mix between new technology and old school kind of car.
Right.
I'm starting to see a pattern here now.
Yeah, kind of same thing, I guess.
Yeah,
And
but even from the same era though, like from like the 80s, 90s kind of.
Right.
Can you tell us like what draws you to that era?
I guess that was like my time when I was a kid. I always liked cars, right? So it just still stays in my mind, and I just like those like boxy style cars in a way, and DTM style, which is another thing about this car too, right? It's a whole different thing, and even in Japan it was really popping there too. So I think it's really cool to have that DTM Euro car / Japanese motor, and me, I think I'm more like a JDM kind of guy. So looking forward to see the combo, how the car is gonna be, and also, of course, the goal is to drive on the track.
Okay.
So the Euro looking cool car with the Japanese motor, what the car can do on the track.
Understood. Yeah. So just like the A86R, you're gonna go kind of like track spec, like no interior, like caged up, something like that.
So pretty much the spec will be the same as 86. It's not gonna be really the street car. It's gonna be like a truck-oriented kind of car. So we're gonna we're gonna get everything out from the interior and just focusing on the truck. The motor came with the car is actually it's based on 2.3 Cosworth motor, NA. So it's kind of similar, right?
Got it.
But the car we have is actually engine's already kind of broken, so we have to fix it. But instead of fix the motor, why don't we put something else? I think it's gonna get unique character to the car.
9,000 RPM sounds pretty awesome.
Right? Well, I'm sure a lot of enthusiasts might gonna be like, you're gonna put the 2000 motor into 190E. But I think that's kind of what the unique thing about this project too.
European style with a Japanese heart. So you actually had the car already?
Well, so my good friend Chris Marion, who happened to have this car, somehow he got the car like a long time ago and sitting in his mom's yard for a long time.
Dang.
It's been like almost, I think, over 10 years.
Wow.
But I forgot what was the conversation, but we talked about the car, and then we just came up with this idea. Why don't we just build this car and make it something next level? So that's how the project started.
Understood.
Yeah.
What was his plan? Chris Marion's plans for that car originally? Do you know?
I don't know actually, but the car was sitting in the yard for over 10 years. Engine's pretty much messed up. So to make the car drivable, it's gonna take a lot of work. So might as well, full restoration plus do something on top. So that's something what we're gonna do right now.
That's a good collaboration. I know Chris, good guy, has a ton of cars.
Yeah, he likes to collect a lot of cars.
Totally.
And I think the car is one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then ended up just kind of like forgotten about it, and yeah, so today we're gonna try to make the car live, but you're gonna capture everything from here on, right?
Yes.
So you guys can follow us for the build. So please subscribe the video and like this video as well. And we'll see you on the next video. じゃあねー。